Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Roger Artejero, currently residing at San Jose, Poro Cruzesby. The question is, what is your personal stand on ethics, and why do you think ethics is important in your daily life as a student? For me, my personal stand on ethics is that it should always guide my decision and actions. Ethics is important in my daily life as a student because it helps me choose what is right and what is wrong. Act honestly, respect others, and take responsibility for my behavior. By following ethical values, I can build good character, even truth, and make fair decisions, both in school and in everyday situations. And I believe ethics is essential in shaping my values and actions. As a student, ethics guide me to do my work honestly, treat others fairly, and make responsible choices even when no one is watching. I have a brief example the situations. For example, a student does not cheat on an exam even when no one is watching, showing honesty and integrity. So for me, a student who does not cheat on an exam shows honesty and integrity, even if cheating seems easy for everyone or for me. The student chooses to rely in their own knowledge and effort. This is important because it builds self-respect, trust from teachers, and true learning. So that's why, as a student, we need to trust ourselves because it is very important, not not to others but ourselves. So always choose to do what is right, even when it is difficult or when no one is watching. Be honest in yourself, or be honest to others and your actions, and respect others. Not not if you respect yourself, but do what is right and take responsibility your actions and for your decisions. Living ethically build trust, good character for yourself, and help create a better, fairer community for everyone. So the ethics is very important to us because ethics helps everyone to create a good to create a good to create a good behavior. So by the way, my name is Roger R. Tejero, Base Cream 2, Block A. See you. Thank you for watching.